so I'm Cassidy Foulk, and I want to, whenever I graduate, I want to be a commercial or industrial designer. And I actually figured this out whenever I was in like high school. I went to some Christmas party with my best friend, and we were putting together one of these toys for a little kid, and I was saying how this and this was wrong with it. And so her uncle actually told me that I should be a commercial designer, and last year, or over the summer, I took an aptitude test, and it told me I should be exactly that too. So it kind of worked out. And other things that a commercial designer is known as, there's a whole bunch of other things. There's an automotive designer, commercial interior designer. There's a whole bunch of things. There's like mold designer, package designer, product designer. It's pretty general. You can go to a lot or do a lot of things with it, and basically what you have to do is you have to major in business and minor in engineering, because you're going to be using computer-aided design software, which is, if anyone took like CAD in high school, maybe you know what it is. It's basically like a sketch thing. It's like this sketch design software that you can basically take anything in person and put it onto a computer. And it's really hard to use, and it's really confusing, but once you get it, you get it. And basically what interior designers do is they develop the concepts for manufactured products, such as cars, home appliances, and toys, and they combine art, business, and engineering to make products that people use every day. So while some people will make medical equipment, other people will make bikes, computers, cell phones, that kind of stuff. So basically, in other words, you give someone a product and they figure out how to make it, like to improve it, to like make it more cost efficient, that kind of stuff, or how to just design it differently. And if anyone knows about like this balloon thing, I saw it like all over BuzzFeed and stuff, but you attach it to a hose and it makes like 100 balloons in a minute. It's really cool. But a father did this just because his kids like to have water balloon wars, and it just made it a lot more efficient. And so he basically did industrial designing. And then a day in the life of a commercial designer, you do a whole bunch of things. You're on the computer a lot of the time, but you also work with other people. So you use the computer to research, and you kind of like build a product. And then you use the computer-aided software, which is CAD, to sketch the ideas. You examine the materials and production costs to determine manufacturing requirements. And you work with other specialists so that they can help you do the exact same thing. You evaluate the product's safety, appearance, and function to determine if the design is practical. And you also test the function, or you test like what people like in the product. So like if one person likes, like you'll make like two different designs, and if one person likes this product more than the other, like it's like the same product but it looks different, so then you do that. And then you often work with engineers, production experts, and marketing specialists to find out if the designs are feasible and to apply their professional expertise to their designs. And how you get there, you have to do 4 years of college, and you only need a bachelor's degree. Your classes in college involve design, sketching, CAD, computer-aided technology, or design, manufacturing methods, and industrial material and processes. There is no on-the-job training, so basically whenever you get your degree, you can just jump right into the job. The qualifications of commercial and industrial designers include creativity as well as technical knowledge. And if you want to be a commercial designer, you should be majoring in either energy management and systems technology, design and visual communications, like a general, and packaging science. And then, as shown below, projected job openings for this career are showing a 4.4% growth, which is lower than other jobs, but it's still growth. And that's about 12,100 openings for new and replacement jobs. The average salary is $62,000, and the lowest 10% earn 31, and the highest earn 95. And then at this point right now, I'm a sophomore in college. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but just because the aptitude test is kind of just like pushed me in the right direction. Right now, I'm just majoring in business. I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Just kind of going with it. And I already know how to use CAD, and I know I'm artistic, and I like all that kind of stuff. So I think it'll be a good job for me. And Use Science is what I use for the aptitude test. If anyone wants to take it, it's actually really helpful. And then here's CAD. And then here's my resume.
Any questions? Pretty brilliant. Did in the management